Complete drug study. Drug 1, generic name, drug class, brand names, generic name, diltiazem hydrochloride. Drug class, calcium channel blocker, CCB, non-dihydropyridine type, anti-anginal, antihypertensive, antiarrhythmic. Brand names, Cardizem, Cardia XT, Dilacor XR, Dilt XR, Tiazac, Matsim LA, Tidal ER. Number 2, definition, diltiazem is a non-dihydropyridine calcium channel blocker that works by relaxing the blood vessels and slowing the heart rate, making it effective in treating hypertension, angina, and arrhythmias. 3, mechanism of action, blocks L-type calcium channels in vascular smooth muscle and myocardium, reduces calcium entry, vasodilation, systemic vascular resistance, blood pressure. Negative effects on heart, negative inotropy, force of contraction, negative chronotropy, heart rate by slowing SA node firing, negative dromotropy, slows AV node conduction. Net result, myocardial oxygen demand, myocardial oxygen supply via coronary artery dilation. Net 4 uses, hypertension, first-line or add-on therapy, angina, chronic stable angina, vasospastic Prinzmetal's angina, supraventricular tachyarrhythmias, SVT, atrial fibrillation, atrial flutter for rate control. Off-label, Raynaud's phenomenon, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. 5. Indications, FDA approved, chronic stable angina, hypertension, atrial arrhythmias, SVT, atrial fibrillation flutter with rapid ventricular response. Off-label, pulmonary hypertension, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, migraine prophylaxis, rarely. Number 6, contraindications, severe hypotension, SBP 90 mm/Hg, sick sinus syndrome without pacemaker, second or third degree AV block without pacemaker, acute myocardial infarction with pulmonary congestion, severe left ventricular dysfunction, hypersensitivity to diltiazem. Number 7, precautions before taking this medicine, cardiac conditions, heart failure, conduction abnormalities, recent MI, liver disease, drug metabolized hepatically, risk of toxicity, kidney disease, adjust dose carefully, older adults, more sensitive to bradycardia and hypotension, pregnancy category C, use only if benefits outweigh risks. Breastfeeding, excreted in breast milk, caution, food interaction, avoid grapefruit juice, drug levels, toxicity. 8, how to use, take orally with or without food, extended release XR-ER formulations, swallow whole, do not crush chew, take at the same time each day. I5V, administer slow bolus or continuous infusion under ECG monitoring. 9. Dosing information, typical adult doses adjust individually. Hypertension angina oral, immediate release, 30 mg every 6 to 8 hours, titrate gradually, usual 120 to 360 mg per day, max 480 to 540 mg per day. Extended release, 140 mg once daily, may increase to 540 mg per day. Atrial fibrillation flutter at bolus 0.5 mg per kilogram IV over 2 min, e.g. 20 mg for 70 kg. If inadequate, repeat 0.35 mg after 15 min. Continuous infusion 5 to 15 mg per hour. Number 10. Misdose and overdose. Misdose. Take as soon as remembered unless close to next dose. Never double dose. Overdose. Symptoms. Severe hypotension, bradycardia, AV block, dizziness, fainting, shock. Treatment. Supportive care, IV fluids, vasopressors, atropine, IV calcium gluconate, temporary pacemaker if needed. 11. Stop or avoid taking. Do not stop abruptly, may cause rebound angina or hypertension. Avoid alcohol, enhances hypotensive effect. Avoid grapefruit juice. Avoid if you develop signs of severe hypotension, worsening heart failure, or AV block. Number 12, side effects common. Headache, dizziness, fatigue, flushing, ankle, leg swelling, edema, nausea, constipation. Serious, bradycardia, AV block, arrhythmias, severe hypotension, syncope, worsening heart failure, liver dysfunction, hepatitis, jaundice, dark urine, allergic reaction, rash, itching, swelling, difficulty breathing. Number 13, vital information monitoring. Monitor blood pressure, hypotension risk, heart rate, risk of bradycardia, heart block, ECG for conduction abnormalities, liver and kidney function with long-term therapy, signs of peripheral edema or heart failure, patient teaching, change position slowly to avoid dizziness, report chest pain, slow heartbeat, fainting, yellowing of skin, eyes. And 14, drug interactions, increased effects, toxicity, beta blockers, e.g. metoprolol, propranolol, additive bradycardia, heart block, digoxin levels, toxicity, statins, simvastatin, lovastatin, risk of rhabdomyolysis, myopathy, cyclosporine, tacrolimus, blood levels, toxicity risk. Amiodarone, other antiarrhythmics, additive cardiac depression. Decreased effects, lower diltiazem levels. Rifampin, carbamazepine, phenytoin, food grapefruit juice. Diltiazem levels, toxicity. Thank you. Have a nice day.